Remember them?
With the dark hair.
Yeah, and he cheated on her. He cheated on her.
I remember Toadie.
Yeah,
Toadfish. Yeah, no.
Serious with accents.
Bro,
Toadfish.
but I do somewhat. When we went to New York,
I'm not a monkey.
These titles.
Oh my days.
Not a monkey.
No, we're not little anymore. Don't tell me.
We're not where?
We're not little anymore.
That brings us into our next topic, bro. Sibling rivalry, bro. How was that growing up?
There's no rivalry here.
There's no
not
rivalry.
anymore. There was.
Go on, expand on that.
A couple of times there was, didn't it? We didn't talk for like a year or something.
A whole year?
Yeah.
From January to December?
So
So what happened that Christmas?
I don't remember what happened.
What happened that Christmas?
That wasn't Christmas.
No, but a year though. So it had to have been up to Christmas.
Is it
No, I said
January to
it was about a
December?
year. It was
So
about a
December
year.
is when you spoke again.
Was it a whole year?
It was about a year. It felt like a year. It was a long time.
2 weeks.
No, it was long, but I didn't know it was a whole year.
Right, who did
But
what?
definitely
What
over
happened?
Christmas we didn't talk.
Over Christmas as well.
Yeah, because I remember when it happened, because it was cold. So over Christmas we weren't talking.
Wow.
So what were you of big age or children?
A big age.
Big old age.
Yeah.
No, we were young,
It
man.
was like college.
Yeah,
That's big age, though.
That's a big age.
Wait, which one are you talking about?
Oh,
is it?
twice.
Yeah, there's one recent.
We'll cut it out. We'll cut it out.
Was it a recent one?
Yeah.
Well, she wasn't talking to you then, bro. That's
Yeah,
what it was.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah, remember that. There was that.
Do you want to talk about that one?
No.
Okay, cool. Go.
But yeah, there was that, and then years ago in college, I can't even remember what it was about.
Oh, you was in school, innit?
No, I was in college.
So that means you were big age anyway.
And then I can't remember, but we weren't talking, and that's when you were growing your hair out, and you wanted me to braid it for you, and I was like, fine, braid it. Because we weren't talking. And I was like, I ain't braiding, no, I'm not doing your hair. And then that pissed you off more. I was like, okay, we're not talking, okay, watch.
Yeah.
So then we weren't talking, And then, no, we made friends at Christmas.
Never family friends.
No, yeah, we made because he bought me, what did he got me Air Force Ones.
Hey!
And then CDs, I think it was, it was Justin Timberlake and TLC, and he got me like 3 albums that I just rinsed on my little boombox. What else you got me? What else you got me? I think you got me jeans or something. But I just remember Air Force
You
One.
must have fucked up,
sorry,
lad.
but
That's what I'm saying. You must have fucked up.
Yeah.
Must have been so.
And then I was
Because
like,
them albums were cheap then, you know, $12.99.
yeah, no, and because we weren't talking, we're living under the same roof. Our parents obviously they're like, oh, mum, like Christmas, like, oh, I brought but like they didn't. And then when he got me the present, then my mum got like a bit teary, like kind of emotional.
I know you would have got the talking burden. We're pinning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me and my stubborn self. No.
I ain't talking to her, and he wants me to do his hair. I'm not talking to her, but you still want me to. Thanks. I'm not doing anything.
I'm not doing any fun.
No, that night rivalry was deep then.
I don't even remember what it was about. I really don't.
No, do I?
I don't remember.
Do you remember the other silly fights?
What, like little?
Like he's copying me.
Oh.
He's copying.
Yeah. One time, this will never leave my mind in my life. Yeah. I don't even know why it's something to get in trouble about. I don't know why you're gonna shout at me for doing this. Evening time, let's say 8-9 o'clock. When you want a snack, what do you go and do? Go and get some cereal. So he's going to go and get a Rice Krispies, pours a bowl, puts it back. So I think I want some. This girl goes, Mama, Bernard's copying me! She comes in the kitchen,
Bravo.
She goes, why man?
I don't remember.
Bro, man got in trouble for doing that. Yes, Bernard's copying me!
That was
in trouble.
That's mad. Copying.
Some silly stuff, bro.
And that sounds like something I would.
Yes, we did.
No, but you were, but nah, because okay, so here's the thing. So there's four of us growing up,
Yeah,
right?
I know.
So I'm the youngest and the only girl, and me and him are the closest in age. There's only 3 years between us, so we're just closer generally.
Yeah.
And then just butting heads because I'm thinking, oh, just because you're a boy, why do you get to do this and I can't?
Yeah.
It was just little petty stuff, but
It was age and gender as well, probably.
Yeah, because you thought, because I had my own room. and my brothers shared a room,
Yeah.
and then I was not allowed in the room. Oh, it's the boys' room.
Yeah, get out the boys' room.
Get out the boys' room. We're playing.
Sorry for that.
I want to play computer as well. Let me play because I wasn't good, but still, let me play. Like, be nice.
But you'd have been better than Amp.
Maybe.
Better than Logik.
I'm
Yeah.
really good at everything.
Let me know.
Bro, we're gonna lick the PlayStation and let. Oh my god.
Yeah, no, you were awful.
Wow.
Okay. I'm gonna say I don't care. He would.
I'll cut it out.
It was like little pranks that he would do around the house. Like, for example, it's nighttime, right? Time to go to bed. Everyone's getting ready to go to bed. Whatever. I'm going into my room. Like I said, I have my own bedroom, and I go to open the door, and then there's like some slimy, sticky stuff on the door handle. I'm thinking, what the? What was that? He used to phlegm and. And I go to open the door, and then there's like some slimy, sticky stuff on the door handle. I'm thinking, what the? What was that? He used to phlegm and. He would phlegm.
Jesus, take the wheel!
Hey! Oh my god, I'm talking today. When you're back home. No.
That's not a prank!
That's
He would split even. You see
That's not a prank!
Hey!
That's not a joke! That's a prank!
That's not even the worst.
Tell us more!
No, that's not even the worst of it. That's not the worst of it. Okay, so like I said, older brothers, I'm the youngest, right? So my oldest brothers, they're in secondary school, we're still in primary school. In the morning, getting ready to go to school. My parents have done their late shift or whatever, so they're sleeping. Older brother can look after us, make our breakfast, whatever. So the oldest brother's gone to secondary school, and it's just me and him getting ready for primary school. He's making my cereal, and then he's like doing, I don't know what he's taking long with mine. I'm thinking, what is it? Okay, cool. So he puts my bowl in front of me, and it's Rice Krispies.
Water.
So you know when you pour Rice Krispies, you pour the cereal, then the milk, and then you add the sugar, or you pour the cereal and the sugar, add the milk. For some reason, he did the milk and then the sugar and then the cereal on top. So I'm thinking, why does he? Okay, cool. So he places my cereal in front of me, and I'm thinking, okay, you put the sugar in with the milk. I need to mix so that the sugar mixes in, right? And he's like, don't mix it. Like, why? Like, why? I want to mix my sugar in my.
Mix it.
He said, if you mix it, yeah, watch. Don't mix it.
Hey,
you're bad. I was like, why can't I? I've not finished. Wait. I was like, I'm so confused. Why can't I? He's like, if you mix it, yeah, I will don't. I was like, okay. I pick up my spoon to take a bite of my cereal, and there's some, you know when like sugar mixes with milk, it kind of has like it's dissolving. So I'm thinking, what's wrong with this sugar? I tip the sugar and it just drips, it just drips in my. I'm like, what is this? Again, he phlegmed.
Oh, you're a pagan! You're a pagan!
He phlegmed.
You're a pagan!
So it was not sugar that was dissolved, it was his phlegm.
It was Bravo!
Teaspoon of phlegm. That's yeah. So this is why.
Now I know why you do what mix it.
He's copying me.
It's all good now.
Now I know why
Don't change the subject.
Wait, hold on a second.
We had no good now.
He must have done something mad for them to not to talk for a whole year.
No, that was later.
That's what I'm saying. If he's done that.
This was just like kiddie stuff.
Yeah, this was kids. It was young. I was probably like.
Please, I don't think I'll do that to somebody.
Seven.
Especially if I have to see
Let me
them.
just ask. What made you do that?
Confess.
I don't
And shame the
remember. I
devil.
don't
You don't remember?
but-
Bro, if you remember these standards.
Yeah.
You remember these
Yeah, I remember the
standards.
story. I don't remember my
Oh, you
motive.
remember doing it, but you don't remember your reason.
I don't actually remember doing it, but I remember that it's true. Like,
So you
I
admit.
do know that